Want to turn now to those new updates in the FBI raid at Mar-a-Lago. Former President Trump won big when he was granted a third-party special master to review the documents seized by the FBI, effectively halting the investigation. Well, the latest today is he's resisting one of the special master's first requests. Kelly Meyer here this morning. So, Kelly, why is the Trump legal team pumping the brakes?
Well, Marni, after weeks of this back and forth over whether there would be a special master, who he or she would be, Judge Raymond Dearie is calling for this first hearing inside his Brooklyn courtroom in New York this afternoon. Dearie asking both teams, the Trump team and the Department of Justice, to submit their proposed agenda ahead of today's hearing. Dearie also asking the Trump team to disclose any details about any materials Trump claims to have declassified before he made them his property. Trump resisting that request from the very special master he requested in the first place. In the 4-page letter Trump's team submitted to the special master on the eve of this hearing, he's pushing back on Dearie's proposal, saying, quote, otherwise, the special master process will have forced the plaintiff to fully and specifically disclose a defense to the merits of any subsequent indictment without such a requirement being evident in the district court's order. Trump's lawyers saying that would be harmful to the former president if they have to disclose what their defense is before there's an actual indictment in the case. In the meantime, the Justice Department shared its proposed agenda for today's hearing. They're suggesting an outside vendor can be hired to help with the scanning of the original documents to share with the special master and Trump's lawyers, all done in a secure facility. And the DOJ also said items besides the documents, like clothing seized from Trump's Florida home, will be available to Trump's counsel and the special master for review at the FBI's Washington field office. Now, there's a separate deadline for Dearie to finish his review. That's set for November 30th, though both sides haven't agreed on that deadline. Marni?
Kelly, and we continue to have this kind of trickle of information, new details that seem to come out every single day. Now we're hearing that one of Trump's former lawyers reportedly warned him about some of the dangers of not returning these government documents. Does that hold water?
That's right, potentially predicting the legal troubles that lie ahead for the former president. It was his former White House advisor and attorney Eric Hirschman, the New York Times, reporting that he warned Trump late last year of the potential legal liability if he did not return government documents taken with him when he left office. This shows that those efforts were made inside Trump's inner circle to save him from a potential investigation and potential legal liabilities here.
Yep. And if he knew that, then how does that complicate things now? That's a question I'll be talking with an attorney later on in the next hour. Kelly Meyer joining us from D.C. this morning. Kelly, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to NewsNationNow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.